You are so cute. Shut
All attend.
No, sir. Sukuti Santi Sima going to Jhada.
But why?
Sir, I don't know. If you give me permission, so I will going to checking.
What nonsense.
Sir.
Let's start the story.
Okay, sir. Sir, one day Raja is sleeping on the khata.
What koto?
Sir, khata is palang.
What?
Sir, bed. Sleeping on the bed.
What is this? What is this, Lungi? This is English class, not Odia. And what is all this? Senyo, Raja, Akramano. What is this?
Sir, this is all one ongo in my story.
What?
You are so cute. Shut up. Sorry.
All attend.
No, sir. Sukuti Santi Sima going to Jhada.
But why?
Sir, I don't know. If you give me permission, so I will going to checking.
What nonsense. Sangita,
Yes, sir.
call them.
Sir, not call them. It's damkal.
What nonsense. Shut up.
यही तो ठीक कथा कोई नहीं सर लगियो.
Okay, all. Student, who can tell me about the Raja Rani story?
Sir, I tell.
Okay, let's start.
Sir, Raja and Rani, they are couples.
Okay.
No, sir. Raja and Rani, they are brother and sister.
What?
Yes, sir. Raja is Sukuta puo, Rani is Sukuta jio. They are bhai behan, not premi. Lungi is michakata.
Okay. Keep side Jio and Puo. Lungi,
Sir,
let's start the story.
okay, sir. Sir, one day Raja is sleeping on the khata.
What koto?
Sir, khata is palang.
What?
Sir, bed. Sleeping on the bed.
Oh,
आइला एठी इंग्लिश कहियो कौन खट.
okay, start.
Sir, Raja sleep on khata, I mean bed. हठात सेना आक्रमण on the राज्य. आक्रमण. अटक.
Oh, okay, then.
Then a सैन्य come to Khatagara and beating to Raja. उठो. सेना is आक्रमण on our राज्य. संगे राजा. What? सेना. Yes. शत्रु राज्य आक्रमण.
What is this, Lungi? This is English class, not Odia. And what is all this? Senyo, Raja, Akramano. What is this?
Sir, this is all one ongo in my story.
What?
Listen, sir. I am the only one boy who is coming from Boravachathal. You underestimate my English. I can't bardast.
Oh, shut up. Nonsense. Idiot. Stupid.
Same to you, sir. Sir. Listen, sir. After voting Raja, Sena said Pakwala Raja Akramana with Khonda. And Raja said, if they are Akramana with Khonda, we are Akramana with Bhujal.
Oh, shut.
कौन है लगे सार बेहोश है ना कौन बे दौड़ी ऐसा भाई सार बेहोश है कौन है सर ओ सेट सारे जी बेहोश.
टेक सम पानी काठिया.
ओके तुम गा रखे इंग्लिश कोई लेना.
हे तू पोका पानी पोका जल्दी.
हे ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ ମୁଁ ନମ୍ବର 1 ଆମ ଗାଁରେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବାର ଆଉ କେହି ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି. हे
ଚୁବେ କହିବୁନି କାହାକୁ ନହେଲେ ସାର୍ ବେହୋସ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ତମ ଗାଁ ବାଲା ଶୁଣିଲେ ଶଳା ମରିଯିବେ. ସାର୍ ଗେଟ୍ ଅପ୍ ସାର୍. ଏ ପାଣି ମାରେ.
What happened?
Not happen, sir. Raja and Soinyo going with Boltawadi for Judyo.
What?
कौन व्हाट इंग्लिश कहले बुझी पारनी कि ओडिया कहले बुझी पारनी आउ कौन ए भाषा कहबी एला माइची के इंगुचिया बुल्लीपुरी टॉप टॉप दिगुसिया वाटनीर किसमिस
What?
दिस इज युगांडा इंग्लिश यू कांट अंडरस्टैंड Listen sir, this is better way to understand my English. Just come to local Bhasha, then you will understand very सहज.
Okay. All go to your seat.
So when Raja going to Yudhya Kshetra, Rani said no.
What?
Not.
What?
Rani said na jana for Yudhya Kshetra.
But why?
Because Rani is गर्भवती.
What?
आहो शाळा पुणी वाट गर्भवती ना बुझी पार ना कहूचु वाट तर कोण छुआ पिला हिना दिकी
What?
The queen said, look Raja, I am गर्भवती. If you going to Yudhya, the Rajkumari is विधवा. नहीं अनाथ.
Oh.
Then Raja said to Rani, don't do चिंता my darling. I am going with my Sena.
Okay.
Raja said, if they have Khonda, we have Bhujali. If they have Kandasar, we have Tawa. If they have Lonkapataka, we have Tarapataka. Don't do chinta, my darling. You don't know my Sena is like a gote bago.
तू भाई अवार्ड पाइबू रे इंग्लिश कहबार हाँ
Okay then.
Then Raja and Soinyo going to the Yudhya Kshetra and they are starting a assault खेल.
Okay then.
Then Raja and Sena going like truck speed. Shatru side coming with dumper speed. They are hunting with Khonda. Churi, Bhujali, Patkas is fighting footing. पूरा माने रक्ताक्त.
Oh no. Then.
Then Raja is hunting with Bhujali. Khacha khach. Shatru side is moring. Raja side is maring. There is Ghamagat Yudhya is starting on the Yudhya Kshetra.
Oh no.
Oh yes sir. The Yudhya is selling प्राय 3 घंटा. After 3 घंटा our Raja said to Soinyo, आउ हबनी तापट का खुबाड़ावे.
What?
Bomb.
Oh.
Then तापट का गांडरे मारिंग डियासली and खुबाड़िंग to शत्रु side. शत्रु is फटास. राजा is खत्म.
Oh my God.
No sir. खत्म टाटा बाय बाय. राजा come to the घर and shouting क्वा.
I.